Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video you're going to be making my first ever nail set order with me, so let's get into it. To start off with preparation, I've selected all the proper size nails, I placed them on my fake fingers, and now I'm buffing them off to begin. Next, I'm just wiping them each down with alcohol. And now I'm applying a base coat. The next step is adding the pink base gel. And now I'm just going in with a second coat. And now for the French tip, I'm beginning with the pink and a detail brush. And now because I have a silicone mat, I'm just putting the pink onto the mat, and then I will dip the detail brush in that to start the design. To begin, I'm taking a detail brush and I'm just outlining that circular shape for the French tip. After I have that set, I'm just going in with the polish brush and I'm filling in the rest of the design. And now I'm just going to repeat that process again with the detail brush, outlining the French tip, and then filling it in with the polish brush. And now to start that process again with the white polish. And now to get the opacity that I want for the design, I'm just going in with the second coat over top of that first coat. Lastly, I'm sealing that all in with a top coat. And here's the finished nail set, guys. As you can see, I placed them all in the cute little cardboard box that they come in, and then I'm just placing my sticker on top to seal that box. And as you can see right next to it, I also have a little nail glue, a little buffer, and then inside that piece of paper is the directions on how to apply the nails to make sure that they're as long lasting as possible. If you're interested in your own custom design, make sure you check out my Etsy shop, which is linked in the description box below. And that is all, guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.